after you start, just go ahead. Okay.
Okay, I'll start. Okay. A very pleasant evening to everyone present today. I take immense joy in inviting you all for this week's Spin Time presented by Featurepreneur. I hope all of you had a great weekend and now tightly buckled up to find out all the winners of Spin Wheel as well as the titles given out this week. So before we move on, I would like to quickly explain the rules to be a part of each week's Spin Time. In order to be a part of the spin wheel, each participant should have a minimum of 2,300 coins in their account. And if you become the lucky winner of this week, your coins will be released. And to be a part of the next week's spin time, you need to earn back that minimum 2,300 tag coins again. Unfortunately, if you do not get chosen as the winner for 7 consecutive weeks, do not worry, your hard work will never go down the drain. All your coins will be released at the end of the 7th week. So this is pretty much the rules to be a part of spin time. Now let's quickly move on to the spin wheel and know the first lucky winner for this week. So let's spin the wheel. And the first winner for this week is Sanjana. Sanjana with 3,200 tag coins. Congratulations, Sanjana.
Thank you so much, Priyanka.
So tell us, Sanjana, how did you get these coins?
I guess I won last week trivia time and I attended hackathon.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's really nice. So tell us more about this hackathon.
Yeah, that was 3 days hackathon. Started on Friday. We worked with Raja sir.
Yeah, you continue, Sanjana.
Yeah, okay. We worked with Raja sir. He shared many things about this thing.
Okay,
His
that's
knowledge.
that's okay. Anyways, congratulations, Sanjana.
Thank you.
So we'll move on to the next. The second winner for this week is Sharmila. Sharmila with 9,100 tag coins. Congratulations, Sharmila.
Yeah, thank you, Priyanka.
Tell us, Sharmila, how did you get these coins?
Yeah, I guess by participating in trivia sessions and hosting taxi events. Yeah, I
Okay.
just got added up.
Well, this is actually pretty much a huge amount, but still, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next. And the third winner for this week is Sam with 7,910 tag coins. Congratulations, Sam.
So thank you, Priyanka.
So, how did you earn this much tag coins, Sam? Tell us more about that.
So it's yeah. So it's like I sat an hackathon with Raja sir and my team. So we created many features, and it was a fun session. Like we had lots of fun
Oh,
and lots
okay.
of learning.
That's really nice to hear, Sam. Thank you again for being a part this week.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next wheel.
Vaishnavi, are you spinning one more time?
Yes, we are spending 2 more. This one and the next.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
And the fourth winner is Sharon with 2,300 tag coins. Congratulations, Sharon.
Thank you, Priyanka.
So tell us, Sharon, how did you get this much?
Okay, so this was held behind for ages. I actually won a debate. It was a very hot debate. I loved the debate. Actually, we conduct the event debate on Sunday. So the topic for that event was how our oh wait, I don't even remember the topic. I guess but it's been it's been so long. Uh,
So did you win that debate?
oh yes, I did win. I did win the
That
debate,
is why you
and
are.
yes, and that is why I bagged those coins. So I'm really happy to have them. Yeah.
That's nice to hear, Sharon. Congratulations again.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Okay. So we'll have the last lucky winner for this week. Let's spin the wheel again, and the fifth winner for this week is Hari Prasad with 42,000.
Yeah, hello.
Congratulations, Hari Prasad. Yeah, you're audible. So tell us, Hari, how 42 is not a small amount. How did you get this much?
So yeah, every week we will conduct workshops and boot camp for students. So I'm the one of the mentor in those events. So I got this for seconds for the mentoring work.
Okay, so on what topic are you mentoring on?
Basically web development and cloud computing later.
Okay, this is great, Hari. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
So that's it for this week's lucky winners of the spin wheel. We'll move on to the titles now. Okay, so the first featurepreneur of the week title goes to drum roll and Sharon. Again, congratulations,
Wow.
Sharon.
Thank you so much. Priyanka.
Even you can't believe it seems. Okay.
Actually, yeah, I cannot believe it.
Anyways, congratulations, Sharon.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
Priyanka. Thank you for your kind words.
And keep motivating. I mean, keep coming up like this, okay? Again and again.
Sure, I will.
All
I
right.
sure will. Thank you. Thanks again.
So the next featurepreneur of the week goes to Priyanka. Okay, that's me actually. Thank you so much for presenting the title. We'll move on to the next title again. The next title is for Learner of the Week, and that goes to Ishwara Prasad.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Ishwar.
Yeah, thank you.
So what did you learn this week?
I learned some really new stuffs in machine learning. Other than everyone saying, Raja sir just guide me through many unique things that's now trend in the topic, like database machine learning, like that topics.
Wow, that's really exciting to hear. Anyways, congratulations again.
Thank you.
Keep learning. All right. So the next title that we have is Writer of the Week, and that goes to Adhavin. Congratulations, Adhavin.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Okay, so tell us, Adhavin, what did you write for us this week?
Actually, I wrote an article about my experience at TechLabs. For that, I bagged this title.
Okay, so then say your experience for like a minute or so.
It was a fun learning experience, actually. That's all nice. No words, actually.
All right, okay. Anyways, congratulations. We'll move on to the next title. We have the meme developer of this week, and that goes to Divya. Congratulations, Divya.
Thank you, Priyanka.
So tell us your inspiration for such meme developing skills.
Inspiration. It's not like inspiration, but I learned memes after coming here to put memes. It's a fun fact. Nothing inspired me to do so.
Yeah, okay, that's really nice to hear. Anyways, congratulations again. Okay, so we'll move on to the next title. We have Mentor of the Week, and that goes to Akshara. Congratulations, Akshara.
Thank you, Priyanka.
So what did you teach this week, Akshara?
Vim Editor and JavaScript.
Okay, so how many students did you teach?
First session I teach for 3 students, and next session I teach for other mentors. And
Okay.
Rajas.
Is this your first time with such experience, or you've already conducted sessions like this before?
No, it's my first experience.
And how was that, Akshara?
It was great, amazing.
Okay, I hope you keep doing this. Congratulations and thank you for being a part this week. Okay, we'll move on to the next title. We have the learning team of the week, and that goes to Sanjana and Akshara. Congratulations, ladies.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Thank you, Priyanka.
So, what did you both do together this week?
We learned JavaScript.
Oh, so instant learning and instant teaching.
Yes.
That's really nice. All right, congratulations again. Now, for the last title of this week, we have Tool Researcher of the Week, and that goes to Sanjana again. Congratulations, Sanjana.
Yeah, thank you, Priyanka.
We're full of titles this week. So tell us, what did you research on?
I researched on a Selenium, and I started learning about a new tool called Luigi, which is also an automation tool.
Okay, that's really interesting to hear. And thank you again for being a part this week.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's it for titles for this week, and we'll have a random winner. So let's spin the wheel and let's see who the random winner is for this week. Sanjana! All right. So the third winner. Okay. Congratulations again, Sanjana.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Okay. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you all again for joining this week, and I hope to see even more participants for the next week's spin time. Thank you. Thank you, guys.